Hi guys, Hannah here, and I've just done a quick video today to answer those questions from you guys about the materials we need to get started. So when we do our daily mini Tangle sessions, I've been suggesting for those people that don't have the O1 black fine liner pen to use just a black biro or anything that's black with a fine nib. But I've gone through my crafty stash and I've put together 3 little beginners kits for you. They each come with a black O1 fine liner pen, which as you've seen I've been using in the daily sessions. A black Zentangle pencil, although as you can see from mine it's clearly very loved and very worn because the writings come off. And again, a rather dirty tortillon. Yours will be completely new and unused. So the 3 kits, they have each of those, the pen, the pencil and the tortillon in. The first set has 5 white square tiles in, the second set has 10 and the third set has 20. And each of these white tiles, they're 200 GSM, which is quite thick cardstock. They each measure 10 by 10 centimetres or 4 by 4 inches. And these are not something that I normally do. They're just for these videos for while we're in lockdown. So what I'll do is I'll include the details along with my email address in the descriptions, and if you want me to post one of these sets out, please send me an email and I'll let you know about pricing and postage costs. For those of you who have asked about how and where I store the tangles that I use, I actually put them in this A5 Step Out handbook. Now for those guys and girls that know me, they know I travel a lot. So when I go away, although the Zentangle materials are very limited, I don't want to take away lots and lots of journals and storage places for my tangles. So I put them all in this Step Out book. Each page is printed. You've got the tangle name, the designer name, you've got 4 mini boxes for step outs, and then you've got 2 boxes which are a similar size to the tiles where you can test out your tangles that you've learnt. There are the facility to hold 100 100 tangles in this book, and to show you my one, you'll see it's very frayed because I've been using it a lot, but I've done it so that the front and back cover each have a hard clear acetate on to give it the protection that it needs. And I've started on mine. As you can see, I've been doing it for quite some time. So what I do is when I see a tangle that I like, I write the name of the tangle, the name of the designer, and then I draw the step out. And when I'm away, then I can start filling in these gaps. And it just means that I can tangle while I travel, when it's sitting by the beach or on the aeroplane even, and it gives me something to work towards. And I've gone through and I've listed the tangles that I like, even though I haven't got round to actually putting the step outs in. These are a few tangles that I've actually designed myself, so I've gone ahead and put them in, so each with their own set of instructions. And again, it's just a good way for me to store my preferred tangles. For those of you that have been doing journals for your tiles since you began and you've contacted me and let me know, I also made my own hand-drawn journal at the beginning of this, and I've made it with a black cover. I've tangled in white on the front, and I've gone through and I've started my own Tangle journey. You can probably see that I haven't got I haven't got very far because I've been working on these daily videos, but it was started as my Corona Tangle journey. Hopefully I will have more time to add some more in. And for those of you that have been watching my daily videos and that have asked about these clear plastic sleeves, I have got the plastic sleeves in the bijou size, which is the small one, the 5x5, and the standard size one, which is the 9x9, and also for the apprentice, which are much larger. But unfortunately I can't get hold of the MDF front covers, but I will leave a link in the description box of where you can get the clear plastic sleeves. And as soon as this lockdown's over, I will be restocking all my MDFs. And just to give you an idea, I've started to decorate this one, although I've just put white gesso on it. But here you can see the tangles that we're doing this week. This is today's tangle, but again, just the clear plastic sleeves. I have added some more bits and pieces to my Etsy channel today. I've put in some more pen sets. So these are just a small variety. At the moment I stock all of the official materials, but for some of you that can't afford those, I've just got some cheaper alternatives that will give you a similar result. So again, I'll include the link in the description box below, along with my email address. And for any of you that got any questions, please feel free to message me or send me an email. I will be adding today's mini Zentangle session a bit later. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing all of your tangles and tiles. Thanks very much. Bye for now.